the baby giraffe and the clever monkey. In the heart of the jungle, a baby giraffe named Gigi was born. She had long legs and a tiny tuft of hair on her head. Gigi loved to explore, but because she was still small, she often struggled to reach the tasty leaves on tall trees. One sunny day, Gigi saw a group of monkeys swinging from tree to tree. Among them was Max, a clever little monkey with bright eyes and a cheeky grin. Gigi watched as Max and his friends easily grabbed the sweetest fruits from the highest branches. Gigi sighed. "Oh, I wish I could reach those delicious leaves like you do." Max heard her and climbed down. "Don't worry, Gigi. One day you'll grow tall, and you'll reach even higher than us." "But I want to reach them now," Gigi pouted. Max thought for a moment and then smiled. "I have an idea. Let's help each other." Gigi tilted her head. "How?" Max jumped onto Gigi's back and climbed up her long neck. From there, he could reach the juiciest fruits. He plucked a few and tossed them down to Gigi. "Here you go," he chirped. Gigi munched happily. "Wow, thank you, Max. You're so smart." Max grinned. "And you're strong. We make a great team." Every day, Gigi and Max helped each other. Gigi let Max climb her neck to grab food, and in return, Max would share sweet fruits with her. As time passed, Gigi grew taller and taller. One day, she realized she could finally reach the highest leaves on her own. "Look, Max! I did it!" she cheered. Max clapped his tiny hands. "I told you! You just needed time to grow!" From that day on, Gigi never felt impatient again. She learned that everyone has their own time to shine, and that teamwork makes everything better. Moral of the story: patience and teamwork help us achieve great things. Everyone grows and succeeds at their own pace.
Please like, share and subscribe if you want to watch more.